Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh, the cooking cop.
And my name is Babe, and I cook for the cop.
So, we took a week off, been working a lot of crazy stuff going on, but we're back with a new video recipe.
I'm really excited.
And this one was created by yours truly.
Yes.
Not me. What are we having today, Babe?
Well, I'm trying to get us to go a little bit healthier. I think we've kind of gone off the deep end. Okay. So
Babe just had a birthday, so now we're going healthy before the holidays.
Yeah, exactly. So actually the only thing healthy in this is the cauliflower pasta, I'll be honest.
Oh boy. Okay, so what do we have, Babe? Tell the folks.
It's a Cajun sausage and chicken pasta.
Cajun sausage chicken pasta.
Yes.
But Babe's trying to be fancy, so instead of using regular noodles, we're using noodles made of cauliflower.
Yay! You know what? You wouldn't have even known if I wouldn't have told you. You would have had no idea. And I'm using heavy whipping cream.
And heavy whipping cream because, you know, health.
Yes, you know, it's healthy time.
All right, here we go. Cajun sausage chicken pasta with cauliflower noodles.
Yay!
Here we go!
Okay, here's what you need for your shopping list. Okay, so the shopping list is as follows. Italian sausage, whatever you desire. We like spicy, so I got hot. Chicken breast, or I did a rotisserie chicken because it's easy and it's tasty and it's already seasoned. You're going to need Parmesan cheese. We're using the Sweet Smoky Joe Cajun Black, so you need a Cajun seasoning. You need heavy whipping cream or whole milk. You need olive oil. You need fettuccine noodles or cauliflower noodles. A red bell pepper, green bell pepper, orange, whatever color, just a bell pepper. An onion and garlic. Okay, so I'm peeling my garlic and I'm going to use 5 cloves because we like a lot of garlic. I'm putting it in my Ninja chopper, my favorite little item. Anything that we love, you can find a link below for products that we use that work really well. So I used my 5 cloves of garlic and I used a half of a white onion and I'm putting that in the Ninja chopper, and then I'm going to use this whole red bell pepper because I like it. And then we're going to put it all into the cast iron skillet, and it's going to be a 1-pot dish. It's so nice.
A 1-pot dish, Babe.
Easy, quick.
Easy,
Yummy.
Quick cauliflower noodles.
Yes.
Can I put in a request for regular noodles now?
I mean, you have to try the cauliflower ones first. That's the rule. And then, yes, I did buy you normal ones in case things go haywire.
In case things go awry.
In case things go awry, yes. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Still gets my eyeballs, but not as bad. When I said this recipe was healthy, I actually only meant the cauliflower noodles because there's butter in it too. All right, let's lay down some butter. Let's throw in our onions and our garlic, which smell very delicious. And we're gonna let these go for about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, well,
how's your eyeballs doing, Babe?
I mean, I'm probably gonna be chopping blindly right now. While those are sauteing, I'm gonna cut up my sausage. I'm using 3 big links because we have the chicken also, so I don't wanna have too much and overwhelm the pasta. All right, I'm gonna cut these into like little 1/2-inch size pieces, chunks. And then we're gonna throw them in with our onions and our peppers and our garlic. All right, let's get our peppers in. Those onions and garlic have been going about 3 minutes. Let's throw our sausage in. So I have it on about medium. I'm gonna turn it up just a little since the sausage went in. I'm gonna do 1½ tablespoons of the Sweet Smoky Joe's Cajun. We're gonna put that in right now. That'll marry together. So we're doing 1½, but if you like more, you can do more, whatever you wanna do. So I bought my rotisserie chicken. I shredded it earlier today and I stuck it in the fridge. So I'm going to put probably 2 cups of chicken in. It's already cooked. Now, if you're gonna use uncooked chicken, you totally can. You just have to cook that and the sausage first before you throw everything else in. So I'm gonna do a total of 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. There's 2 and I have to add in 1 more. we're gonna bring this up to a boil, and I'm gonna put the noodles in, and I'm gonna cook the noodles in this. So my sauce is boiling, and I'm gonna put these
Your cream is
in.
boiling, babe.
Yeah, my cream is boiling, babe. So cauliflower noodles, these are like a lot more doughy. They cook in 3 minutes.
Oh boy.
Make sure you don't get your cream too boily.
Yeah, you don't want your cream too hot, boys and girls.
Because you don't want it to like curdle. Okay, let's get this all married in here. There.
Babe, this is intense.
Babe, you know what? Step out of the box. So my heat is on low. I've got my noodles pretty drenched in there, and I'm just gonna let it go for about 3 minutes. Now, if you're using regular noodles, you're gonna wanna make sure that they're obviously under the liquid, and you're gonna let that go about 10 minutes. So I'll do this, and then I'm gonna add my cheese, and we'll be ready to try it. So I've got it on our plate. The cauliflower noodles, babe, you're not even gonna notice a difference, I promise you.
Oh, really?
Really, truly.
So you're gonna, yeah.
Put our thumbnail. It's nice.
Okay, so obviously the camera's framed up perfectly. You could see the plate, you could see the dirty dishes. Babe, you know what the problem is when we're cooking for 2 people is? We always have a shitload of leftover food.
Yeah, I cook for like an army.
So we need to start finding people that we need to bring food to, you know, maybe people at the station or something. I don't know. We need to get some disposable tins and just start
That's a good
cooking for
idea.
people. Because we like to cook a lot of recipes and we like to experiment in the kitchen and stuff like that. But we always have so much
food.
leftovers.
And
So,
it's a waste.
it's never a waste, babe.
Babe, this is waiting for you to
Okay, let's...
I want you to try it first.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
I do like, you know that I love the Italian sausage.
Yes.
And then you got the shredded chicken.
Okay.
I'll have an open mind with your...
You're not even gonna know.
Yeah, right.
They're just not as doughy. They're a little bit more, no, they're a little more doughy, kind of chewy.
I'm getting a mega bite with the Parmesan,
I'm
with
so
everything.
excited.
Okay, I'll give it to you that you can't really tell it's cauliflower noodles. It just tastes like a little bit more chewy noodle. The flavor is really, really good. With that sweet smoky Joe Cajun,
Yeah.
you can taste the Parmesan, a little bit of garlic, and I mean barely any heat from the Italian sausage.
I know, you were thinking it was going to be really
I
spicy.
thought it was going to be way more spicy. It's not. It's actually not spicy at all.
Yeah. And it's not going to hurt my tummy because of the noodles.
Oh.
So I can actually, like, chow down on the pasta.
I mean, you definitely know there's heavy whipping cream in here because it tastes like a... You know when there's heavy whipping cream, it's like a legitimate, thick,
Soft.
unctuous
There we are again.
pasta. Like it's a legit, like, you can be like, oh, this is fattening because it's delicious. I mean, you can definitely taste, you can definitely taste the heavy whipping cream, but it's good, babe. It's a good dish.
Yeah?
It's great for a weeknight.
All right.
I think
Wait.
I rate it an 8.5.
Okay, well, what about the noodles? Can we move to these now and get rid of regular noodles?
I mean...
We've done zoodles before, and you were okay with them. You were like, okay, this is all right.
Let's not get carried away.
But can we move on from regular noodles now?
I don't know about that.
No.
All right, boys and girls. There it is. Cajun, sausage, chicken, cauliflower noodle, garlic, heavy whipping cream pasta.
Cajun pasta.
On a weeknight. A la babe.
Yeah.
Links below for everything. Thank you for the support. As always, look right here, the join button. You guys, shout out to all of our sponsors that have hit the mega join button. We'll put their name on the screen right here. And yeah, we appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Right, babe? You just dropped a cauliflower noodle on my hand.
You love the cauliflower noodle?
All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.